How to sign into YouTube on a Net TV. Signing into YouTube on a Net TV allows you to access your personalized content, subscriptions, and playlists. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Navigate to the YouTube app. Use your TV remote to go to the Apps or Smart Hub section. Select and open the YouTube app. Ensure internet connection. Make sure your Net TV is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet by going to Settings Network Wi-Fi. Step 2. Select Sign In. Access settings. Once the YouTube app loads, go to the Settings or Sign In option. Choose a sign-in method. You may be given two options. Enter credentials directly on the TV. Link using a code. Step 3. Sign in using a link code. Recommended. Get the code. The TV will display a unique code for linking. Open a browser on your device. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, go to youtube.com/activate. Sign in to Google. Log in with the Google account you want to link to YouTube. Enter the code. Input the code displayed on your TV and click Next or Activate. Confirmation. Your TV screen will automatically update and your account will be signed in. Step 4. Sign in directly on the TV, if applicable. Select Sign In. If the TV allows, choose Sign In directly. Enter your Google account. Use the on-screen keyboard to input your Google email address and password. Sign in. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Step 5. Verify your account. Once signed in, you can access your YouTube library, subscriptions, and recommendations. By following these steps, you can easily sign in to YouTube on your Net TV and enjoy personalized content.